Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the service to your favorites so that you will be able to find it later on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select a service either from your home page or from the search section. Tap on the one that you find interesting and then click on this heart icon that you can find at the top of the screen. Here, select your saved list. You can also create a new one by tapping on the create a new list button, type in its name, and then click on the create button in the upper right corner and tap on this list where you want to edit. Then go back, click on this list button down below and click on this save list button, and you are going to find the items added to this section. If you want to get rid of a service, tap on the heart icon and it will be removed from your list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.